Tyrannosaurus.
And this was Sarah yesterday.
No, I'm gonna repeat the tour.
That's,
Ready?
okay.
This. Sarah.
This is Sarah
Yesterday.
yesterday.
Do you have any questions?
Yes. So how old is Sarah?
They only live to be a day.
Oh my God!
my
Wait,
God.
hold on. Wait,
They
what?
have triplets every day, and that's how they reproduce.
Wait, and what do? They pick their favorite of them all?
And they eat the other two.
So what? Okay, what does a dinosaur? What does this particular dinosaur eat? What is their food that they eat?
Holy corn on the cob.
Corn on the cob? Well, what a coincidence!
That's
That's only what. That's the only thing I eat.
Like
You have to hold
like
it.
a typewriter.
Oh,
Let her eat them.
oh my gosh!
How much do they weigh?
46 million thousand tons.
Oh my
46 million thousand?
Yeah.
Oh my God! Oh my God! This is crazy. That was Alicia. That was exactly like the actual tour.
I know, but I know more information than he does.
Oh my gosh! Why don't you have this job? You need to steal that job from him.
I should.
You have to right now.
And the Britney Spears mic, so you
With
can
the
dance.
Britney Spears mic. You can dance. But about the corn
Yes.
on the cob,
Yes.
when they're really good at their very last meal, vampires.
Vampires.
Feed
Why
them
vampires?
I don't know. I think it's like their horns get jealous of the teeth, and I
Oh man,
don't know.
it's like a kill, a pleasure kill. It's a pleasure kill.
Yeah.
They're killing
Is
them
that
for
why she
pleasure.
was having an
That's
orgasm?
why there were so many Asian Edward Cullens. We see
Sarah,
them Asian Edward Cullens.
This is kind of where the kids in the room shouldn't be there because I'm pretty sure that dinosaur was having an orgasm. I am pretty sure.
Or it had
she was shaking all over.
gastrointestinal problems.
She
It was
was
one or the other.
moaning. She sounded like
She could've been-
Alicia.
Carly knows how I sound in bed.
Yeah.
We need to save
Well.
this film for Harry Potter.
We do. Okay. It's only. Okay. Signing off.
Alicia out.